Platform rewards. Platform rewards are powered by a 2.25% allocation from every token buy and sell transaction across the ecosystem. This means every transaction contributes directly to user rewards, creating a system where activity fuels value distribution. To understand the scale, if a token reaches $1.2 billion in daily trading volume, similar to Dogecoin, then that 2.25% equals $27 million in daily allocated platform rewards. Unlike many tokens, our ecosystem is built with multiple utilities designed to drive consistent volume, making this model both scalable and sustainable. To get started, simply click Enable Rewards. Platform rewards only need a one-time activation, as long as you remain active within the 48-hour window. This ensures fair participation, active user engagement, and ongoing eligibility for rewards. Scroll down a bit to enable your platform rewards. Once activated, you begin participating in the daily reward distribution tied to your platform activity. The more the platform is used, the more value is generated and redistributed. We built in a protection system to maintain fairness and prevent abuse. We've implemented a device-based verification system. Each account is limited to one verified device for reward activation. If detected, users will receive this notification, preventing reward activation, ensuring a level playing field for all users. Your rewards are available anytime based on your accumulated balance. To withdraw your platform rewards, navigate back to your dashboard, click Withdraw. Complete your withdrawal by entering your amount and withdrawal address, then scroll down a bit, and you will see the withdrawal fees fully transparent and displayed before processing. A true circular economy, with 100% of these fees distributed back to users through paid forward rewards, creating a continuous value circulation, a sustainable revenue generation mechanism, and a self-reinforcing ecosystem. Once processed, your tokens are automatically sent to your wallet. This is not extraction. This is circulation. A system where participation drives shared growth. A true win-win ecosystem.